All right, Rosina, tell us where we're going today.
Well, you know, we're here at Serra di Rapolano at the castle, and we are on our way to see Angie, who's going to show us how to make homemade pici.
Pici.
Luckily, I could just barely fit through this little sheep counter, and so there would be one little sheep going through.
What we're making today is pici pasta. Pici is typical of the Tuscan region. It's a little thicker than spaghetti, and it's usually always hand-rolled. Now follow us as we go to our good friend Angie's house. She's already made the dough, but she's going to tell us how she did it, and then the three of us are going to roll out the pici pasta together.
So the pasta, che ci fai dentro la massa, Angie?
Allora ci ho messo qui, questo è 1,5 kg di farina,
Flour,
ci ho messo 2 uova,
egg, whole egg,
2 bicchieri di acqua tiepida
lukewarm water,
e poi 4-5 cucchiai d'olio di oliva
and olive oil. Some tablespoons of olive oil. You mix that all
e
together.
un pizzico di sale.
And un po' di sale, a little bit of salt. I'm going to wash my hands because now we're going to begin rolling to make these famous pici. Oh, so you have to
Ora perché deve stare un altro poco con l'olio, allora poi si stendono meglio. Vedi?
Wow.
Pici.
E poi qua le corte.
Vedi? Poi viene da sé. Così. Questa la tiri piano piano.
All right, here I am with Kaci. Kaci, say hi.
Hi!
Casey's from Texas. She is my niece-to-be, Lucky Antonio, and look at her. Look at how great she's doing on these pici. Oh my God, almost better than our master chef, Angie. No, nobody's better than Angie. Angie's the best.
Fino del mondo.
Fino del mondo, Angie.